Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. As banks close some branches to focus on digital banking, some Jamaicans have been reluctant to make the transition. In fact, some persons have decided to simply move their business elsewhere. At the same time, Sagicor Bank is positioning itself to capitalize on the banking demand which is being created in areas where other banks have pulled out. Bank on Wheels, a new Sagicor banking initiative targeting the unbanked and underbanked. As Sagicor Bank CEO Shorvell Johnson Cunningham explains, the initiative is also providing an alternative for those struggling to find a nearby bank.
I got several calls from this community, and you know what their pain was? Their pain was that a bank that was here for years, for over 50 years, coming from Barclays Bank days, came out of their community. So the citizens here are in pain. The citizens here don't understand the changes that are happening. And the fact is that going digital is a good thing, but forgetting about the clients is not a good thing.
The mobile banking unit was stationed in Spalding, Clarendon on Monday for its first stop. Business owners in the community welcomed the initiative.
Recently, the only bank we've had here from the 1960s decided to leave us. And it is important that for rural development, a bank is an important thing in the architecture of a town like this. So it's critical not only for the business persons, but also for the pensioners, for the schools in the area.
Sagicor Bank only has one mobile unit. Notwithstanding, the bank has plans to visit several other communities across the island. In the meantime, the business community in Spalding, Clarendon is already calling for a more permanent banking solution from Sagicor. GraceKennedy's net profit rose to nearly $2 billion during the July to September quarter, jumping. Now, net profit rose $440 million to $1.88 billion. GraceKennedy CEO Don Webby says the conglomerate is on track to meet its financial targets this year, despite market uncertainty caused by COVID-19. Now, GraceKennedy says its food trading segment recorded improved revenue and profitability, mainly as a result of its international food business. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $149.08. The Canadian sold for $114.61. The pound closed at $196.39, while the euro is going for $178.84. The JSE index gained 1,081 points today, while the junior market index is up 11 points. Among the winners were Jamaica Producers, Jamaica Broilers, Jamaican Teas, Cygnus Credit Investments, US dollar shares, and Everything Fresh. Now on the losing side were Jetcon Corporation, Caribbean Cream, First Rock Capital Holdings, Express Catering, and CAC 2000. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.